Hi, it's Eric Dahl, owner of Dahl Integration Marketing, author of the Funnel Vision Method, marketing trainer, and speaker. In today's video, I'm going to share with you top tips to advertise on Facebook effectively that my team and I have learned while running numerous Facebook campaigns in different niches, even narrow niches like straps. Here's what Douglas Foster, co-owner of Strapworks.com, one of the leaders in the strap industry, had to say about us. I've been working with Eric Dahl with Dahl Integration Marketing for several years. He does an excellent job in taking our marketing to a new level online and offline, and has done a great job of helping us understand what he is doing and how our money is spent. I trust Eric Dahl completely. He's been a very valuable individual to our company, and I recommend anybody use his services. Additionally, I documented our process and put together a free report that you can download here that lays out the entire Facebook ad campaign strategy we deployed for one of our clients, so you can see what's possible when you implement these strategies. Let's dive in right now and explore the top tips to advertise on Facebook effectively. 1. Be straightforward. One of the top tips to advertise on Facebook effectively is to make sure you're being straightforward and honest about your offer. This way, only people potentially interested in buying from you or ordering from you will click the ad. Remember, Facebook ads are pay-per-click, and even if people don't actually click on your ads, you'll still be getting free exposure and thereby increasing your brand visibility. 2. Target dream customers. Facebook also allows you to target your ads by filtering who sees them based on their age, sex, location, and interests. The stricter you are with these requirements, the more successful you'll be at implementing these top tips to advertise on Facebook. Think about your dream target audience and make sure they're the ones who see your advertising. 3. Use eye-catching headlines. While you want to avoid getting everyone to click indiscriminately, you do also want to ensure that as many people see your ads as possible. Even when you're not selling to someone, letting them see your ad will help to build visibility. So to that end, try using headlines that garner attention, whether that means they make a bold statement or they just get people a little curious about something. The same goes for your images. Try to use images that draw the eye. Images of people have been proven by studies to get more attention and will help you implement these top tips to advertise on Facebook. 4. Don't be afraid to stereotype. In our politically correct world, we're often taught not to stereotype and not to assume things about people based on small amounts of information. When it comes to advertising though, small amounts of information are all we have, and so we have to stereotype. Case in point, if you're selling a book on bodybuilding, then you might be aware that there are some female bodybuilders out there. But you know what? I'm stereotyping here, but I believe there are more male bodybuilders. So it'll make more sense for you to target guys. 5. Copycat. When using Facebook as a user, try to be a little conscious of the ads that show up and how they impact you. Are they frustrating or potentially something you might click? Is this something you could do yourself? While we all want to be unique, often the best strategy when it comes to marketing is just to see what is working and then to emulate it. There's no reason you can't do the precise same thing and get the precise same results. Think of it as inspiration. 6. Experiment. To get the most from Facebook ads, you need to try different combinations of filters, wording, images, and more. Don't be afraid to experiment, then to find the winning combo. 7. Use Facebook consistently. Facebook ads should be just one part of your Facebook advertising strategy. Combine this with a consistent social media campaign and make sure you have a Facebook page with regular posts. 8. Invest in high quality. If you're going to pay for a Facebook ad, then you might as well pay for design and make the most you can from those ads. You can find good designs relatively inexpensively. Ultimately, this will make a big difference in your clicks and conversions. To recap, the top tips to advertise on Facebook effectively are: be straightforward, target dream customers, use eye-catching headlines, don't be afraid to stereotype, copycat, or maybe we should say inspire, right? Experiment, use Facebook consistently, and invest in high quality. And this is where this free case study comes in. Here you'll learn our proven Facebook ads formula. Most importantly, you'll see how to apply our formula with your own campaign, your own page, and your own brand. You'll learn the what, but also the how and the why. Ultimately, when you properly implement our formula, you'll learn how to generate fans, followers, and turn them into excited customers. Go download the free case study now while it's available, because you'll learn insider information on how our clients are cashing in on the power of Facebook's advertising platform, big time. More importantly, how you can too. Click below to download your free case study now.